Hi everyone, this is Soumya welcoming you back to my channel. So in today's video, we have some really common questions related to CAT. As a beginner in a layman language, which I wish someone had who put down for me so easily, but here I am doing it for you. So the very first question that we have with us is, what is CAT? So CAT or Common Admission Test is an entrance exam conducted by the IIMs for getting into the top MBA colleges like the IIMs, IITs, MDI, FMS, IMT campuses, Great Lakes and many others. So if you're thinking of doing MBA, switching your career or just getting into MBA roles as a fresher, management roles, then this exam is for you. Eligibility for CAT. So the eligibility for CAT is not complicated. It is pretty simple. You just need a bachelor's degree in any of the stream from a recognized university, and you must be having 50% or more marks in your undergraduation. Yes, and also the final year students can also apply for the exam. A lot of people do not know about it. Other than that, there is no age limit or restriction on the number of attempts. Next, what is exam pattern for CAT? So CAT is a computer-based test and it is divided into three sections, that is verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative ability. Now it is a 2-hour long test with 40 minutes per section and it has around 66 questions. When should I start preparing for CAT? Ideally, start at least 6 to 9 months before the exams. So if CAT is in November, preparations should begin around February or March. But even if you start later, with the right strategy and consistency, it is possible to do well. Now it completely depends on your skills and your hold on the subjects. Is it necessary to join coaching for CAT? No, it is not necessary, but it can help. Now, the coaching gives you structure, study material, and the right guidance. So, a lot of people clear the exam without joining an institute by self-study, using the online resources, books, and mock tests. But as per I, it is a good option to join a coaching center because it gives you the right environment and exposure for the whole thing. Lastly, how many hours should I study daily for CAT? So it depends on when you start preparing. So if you're preparing say 8 to 9 months before, then 2-3 hours a day is enough. That is around 1 hour per subject every day. But if you're starting late, you might need 4 to 5 focused hours daily. Now again, quality matters more than the quantity. So study smart, not just long. So if you're planning to prepare for CAT or starting your MBA journey, make sure to subscribe. Feel free to stick around. I'll be sharing my experiences, tips and tricks and everything that I do. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Sayonara.